Tripura Additional Chief Secretary Sanjay Kumar Rakesh, while addressing a press conference on 27th April at the Civil Secretariat Agartala, said that till date in Tripura 4,451 COVID-19 tests have been conducted, out of which 2 were found positive. A 45-year-old lady and TSR Jawan were tested positive, and later, after successive recovery, they were later released from the hospital. Additional Chief Secretary, who also look after the Health Department, claimed that Tripura is in the top of the list of population rationed and COVID-19 tests that is being conducted across India. While the national average is 422 per million on 26 April and on 27 April at 470 in India. In Tripura, it was 1051 per million on 26 April and 27 April it is at 1100 plus per million or 10 lakh.
As of now, we have already conducted 4,451 tests. And except the 2 positive cases, everything is negative. So the tests that we are conducting as of now is one of the highest in India. The All India average has been 422 cases per million.
Rakesh added that at present all cases are negative in Tripura, and for which the credit goes to the people of the state. The ACS hope that Tripura is very likely to enter the green zone soon, and during the last 14 days there have been no detection of any new case of COVID-19 positive.
Thanks to the good response from all people from Tripura, we are all having negative. Though we have been doing very well now, but threat is not over yet. We have more pains to come. Things are not yet controlled. So we have to maintain few social things. Social distancing is one, having the mask is another, and we have to behave very prudently and very responsibly if we really want to contain this epidemic as such.
Meantime, he further informed that the stranded people will be brought back to the state only after official approval of the states where they are stranded, and on Sunday 167 persons have returned to the state and appropriate protocol have been maintained. Tripura government has decided to design a special protocol to bring back the people of the state who were stranded in different parts of the nation due to the COVID-19 lockdown, said the Additional Chief Secretary. The stranded people who are to return from the red zone or COVID-19 hotspot states shall be kept in quarantine for sample collection.
About 167 persons have already come. So we are now taking the proper protocol. We are identifying them. Those who are coming from the hotspots or red zone, they would be tested and kept for 1 day in the north itself. If they are found negative with the stamp marking for 14 days, they will be sent for home quarantine. Those who are coming from non-hotspots, they would be tested for the symptoms. All the symptomatic cases will be sent for the test, and some randomly selected non-symptomatic case will also be tested.
Tripura is considered as corona-free states now, along with 4 others in the northeastern region of the country. Bureau Report.